Hi everyone, you're watching Cooking at the Brown Chef. I'm gonna show you how to make a tasty mashed potato. I'm gonna show you how to do a quick way. Let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. Royal blue potatoes. You can choose any potato you want. This is the 400 gram of potato and 50 milliliter of thickened cream. I got some cracked pepper and I got some salt. And this is the secret ingredients, guys. This is the chicken stock, or you can use vegetable stock. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel the potato and cut into the small pieces. That's how you're gonna do it quick way. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. So the reason I choose the royal blue potato, we got a lot of fiber into it compared to the other potatoes. It's actually good source of fiber. So now I'm gonna cut into the small pieces. If you boil the small pieces, you can save you a lot of time. So that's how you're gonna make it quick. So I have already a pot up there. So I'm gonna fully cook the potato. I'm gonna try for 15 minutes and let's see how we're gonna do it. My water is boiling up here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the potato here. Once you add the potato, make sure you don't split the water into your face. You can add some salt here to try to get the saltiness into the potato. There is another way of cooking the potato quick. You can cover it up with the lid. So I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes and then we're gonna check this one out. This is after 20 minutes, guys. It's depend on your pot and the hot water and the amount you use for the potato. So I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna use my finger. It's cooked, guys. It's perfectly cooked. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get out from the pot. I'm gonna put in my bowl and I'm going to mash this one up. So I'm gonna give a little tip. So make sure you mash this one out when it's hot. If it is cooled down, it's really hard to mash the potato. So you mash it really well, or you can use the grater, or the carrot grater, vegetable grater, anything you want to squash this up. You can wear the gloves and mash this one up. So as you see, I just use the fork and mash this one up. Make sure you mash it really finely. Otherwise, if it is lumpy, you're not gonna get the real nice mash. So if you feel like it's drying out, you can add a little bit water. So keep the moisture. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of hot water to keep the moisture. Then you're gonna stir it really well. See, as you see, the water is, when you add the water, you can mash it really finely. So next step is I'm gonna use the hot pan and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to get the moisture. You can get some flavor, or you can use the butter if you want to. Then you can add the cream and heat it up the cream. If you can't find the thickened cream, you can use the butter and the milk equal quantity, like 50-50. 50 milliliter of cream and 50 gram of butter. So make sure you heat it up, the thickened cream a little bit. Once it boiling up this way, once it warming up, then you're gonna add your the mashed potato. Make sure this potato is hot. If you're not hot, make sure you're gonna microwave it. Then you're gonna add some cracked pepper and the salt. It's already salt up there. Make sure you put the right amount of salt, otherwise it's gonna be too salty. See, the cream is getting thicker and stick into the mashed potato. And then I'm gonna add my secret ingredients, chicken stock. And make sure you mix it properly. See, this is the perfect texture. It needs to be a little bit watery. The wetness needs to be in the mashed potato. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna serve it now. I'm gonna place into the bowl. So this is how we do the mashed potato. Look, guys, how beautiful it is, the yellowish color there. Before you take it out, you can put some chopped parsley. It's gonna give you different flavors to you if you want to make a different flavor in a different day. So this is how we're doing the mashed potato. Nice and easy, very quick. It's a really yummy mashed potato. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste this one and see how it tastes like. Wow, guys. Wow, it's so nice. It's really good, guys. The wetness is there. The mashed potato is mashed well. Make sure you add the salt and pepper according to your taste. So this is the perfect for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope this helpful you to make a tasty, yummy mashed potato at your home. So don't forget to subscribe me and share among your friends. I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye. Thank you.